I'm back on the UTech Papine campus after visiting our other campus locations located outside of Kingston. First, I went to our campus in Ocho St. Anne, where due to Hurricane Melissa, the building has lost its roof. There is significant damage inside the classrooms and offices due to water getting into the building. And I've also observed damage to our doors and windows. Then went on to our campus in Montego Bay. We have two sites in Montego Bay. I first went to Dome Street, where again there's significant flooding in pretty much all the rooms in that building, caused by water settling on the roof, and that water is now getting into the building, and it's caused the ceiling inside some of the rooms to collapse, and so there's damage to furniture and office equipment. I also went to our site on Barnett Street, where we have our School of Nursing. And although I couldn't get into the building itself, I did observe damage to the roof and also to the air conditioning units on the roof. There are also windows that were blown out, and so I suspect there's flooding and water damage inside. Overall, what I observed is devastation in Western Jamaica. There are utility poles on the ground, there are trees stripped bare, and there is no electricity, water, or internet in Montego Bay. And so many Jamaicans on that side of the island are facing significant struggles, including our students and staff. And I just want to remind all our students and staff that we care about you and we want to hear from you. And I encourage you to get in touch with us so that we can check in and just confirm that you are safe. And if you do need support, let us know and we will see what we can do within our capabilities. So I just want to reassure our staff and students that we're here for you, and I look forward to hearing from you all.